Hey guys, so I know we always have beads that come double like this in our beads bag, so I'm going to show you guys a short tutorial on how to separate them, because sometimes we just need that one bead to complete a beaded project and it is joined together, and you're going to go to the store and buy another packet, and we don't want that. So you're going to heat up a knife. 10 seconds, it is completely fine. Heat up a knife that you don't use often. 10 seconds is fine. Then you're just going to pick up the bead. As you can see, that's a pearl bead. It's hard, it's double. You're just going to go in the middle and it is going to melt that joining part away, and it is that simple, that easy. You can do this very easily. So with pearl beads it's harder, and if you have this little gold bead it's even easier because you can do it with your fingers. You just need to snap it in between your hand like so. I'm going to repeat it again, and if you still can't snap it with your fingers, you can use the knife method as well. So like I said, this is just a simple, you know, tip or trick. I think I'm going to make a playlist of tips and tricks of 4 beads. So this is simple tip or trick for any of your beads that you have that are joined. I'm telling you, I'm sure we've all been there, where you just need a few beads to complete the project and they're joined together, and you find yourself going to the market to buy a pack of beads that you really don't need. Girl, we are not here to waste no money. We are not here to waste no money. So you're just going into the kitchen, heat up a knife, 10 seconds, and you're just going to slide that knife through. Okay, so I'm just snapping all these other ones. Tell me what you guys think about this sort of video down in the comment section. By the way, for those pearl beads that I just separated, I made a tutorial on how to make 2 different pearl beaded bags. This one, and I'm going to post a picture of the other one, so you check out the tutorials. I'm still to upload the second one. The first one is up, so I'm going to check out the tutorial for the second one. So make sure you turn on your notification bell. Now right now I'm just filing off the shoot part of the bead, because it is possible that it's going to leave some sort of a black mark, and that is not a problem. You just need to take a nail file, one that isn't too rough, and you're just going to lightly, I know it feels like I'm doing it very hard, but I'm doing it very lightly to buff off all that black soot part, and your pearl is usable. We are not here to waste. We don't waste anything here, guys. As you can see, those black parts there, I'm just filing them down, and you're going to use your pearls the same way that you've been using them, with no waste whatsoever. So please make sure you check out the tutorial for those 2 pearl beaded bags. I'm going to put the pictures. They're beautiful bags, so make sure you check them out. So yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial. Tell me if you want me to make any other tricks, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.